Have you started to save for retirement? Creating a portfolio to achieve the retirement corpus is a challenging task. SBI Life has a pension product called SBI Life Retire Smart Plus. In this video, let us look into the SBI Life Retire Smart Plus plan in detail. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. SBI Life Retire Smart Plus. It is an individual unit-linked non-participating pension saving product. Let us look how the plan works and how it helps in the accumulation phase, and then we can compare it with other products. First, let us look the features of the SBI Life Retire Smart Plus plan. It enables you to build the corpus you need through market linked returns. 7 diversified funds option to choose from as per your risk appetite. Premium paying term could be single premium, regular premium, or for a limited period. Loyalty additions are payable every year starting from the end of 15th policy year. A terminal addition of 1.5% of the fund value helps to boost the fund value. After completion of the lock-in period, that is 5 years, partial withdrawals are allowed to meet any financial emergencies. Unlimited free switches are allowed during the policy term. Free premium redirection is available from second policy year onwards. Next, we shall move on to the benefits we get under SBI Life Retire Smart Plus. Death benefit. If the policyholder passes away unfortunately, then the nominee or the legal heir will get the death benefit claim as the higher of the following is payable. Fund value as on the date of intimation of death plus terminal addition, or 105% of the total premiums received up to the date of death less applicable partial withdrawals if any. Maturity benefit. On survival of the life assured till the end of the policy term, provided the policy in force, you will receive the fund value as on the date of maturity plus terminal addition. There are 3 ways to utilize the accumulated corpus, that is the maturity benefit. The first option is to utilize the entire proceed to purchase an immediate or deferred annuity at the then prevailing annuity rates from SBI Life insurer or other insurer. The second option is to commute up to 60% and utilize the balance amount to purchase an immediate annuity or deferred annuity at the then prevailing annuity rates from SBI Life Insurance or other insurers. The third option is to extend the accumulation period or deferment period within the same policy terms and conditions as the original policy, provided the policyholder is below the age of 60 years. Next, we shall have a glimpse of the fund options available under SBI Life Smart Retire Plus plan. There are 7 funds available under the plan. During the accumulation phase, the premium gets invested in the chosen fund option. Choose a fund based on the risk profile and make sure it is in line with your personal risk appetite. There are various charges under SBI Life Retire Smart Plus. Let us see one by one. The first one is premium allocation charge. It ranges from 6% to 4% in the initial 10 years and it is 2.5% from year 11 onwards. For single premium, it is 3% charged only once. Policy administration charge. For the first 5 years, rupees 45 per month, and from 6th year onwards, 70 rupees per month. Fund management charge. It depends upon the fund chosen. 1.35% for equity pension, equity optimizer, growth pension and bond pension. 1.25% for money market pension fund. 1% for top 300 pension fund and 0.25% for balance pension fund. Next is a discontinuance charge. It depends on the year of discontinuance, annualized premium amount and mode of premium. There is no discontinuance charge from the 5th policy year. Switching charge, premium redirection and partial withdrawal charge. No charges are applicable for switching, premium redirection and partial withdrawals. Mortality charges. Mortality charges will be based on your age and some at risk at the time of charge reduction. Miscellaneous charges. For any increase in the policy term, increase in premium paying term or converting limited premium paying term to a regular premium payment term options, a charge of rupees 500 will apply. The charges will be recovered by way of cancellation of units. Insights on charges. Only the fund management charge and mortality charges are justifiable. The rest of the charges seems unjustifiable. It is interesting to note that there are no such unwanted charges in mutual funds. In the end, even if the plan gives you 4% or 8% return, we will get less after deducting these charges. The return will be very minimal. Let us now weigh the advantages and disadvantages of SBI Life Retire Smart Plus. Advantages: premium paying mode can be chosen based on convenience. This plan helps to save systematically for retirement. There is an option to select from 7 fund option and flexibility to switch to other funds. There is no premium redirection, partial withdrawal, and switching charges. Disadvantages: the lock in period is 5 years. The maturity benefit can only be annuitized. The fund value cannot be redeemed or utilized for life goals. Various charges are deducted from the premium before it gets invested. There is no guarantee in the maturity benefit, that is the vesting benefit, which decides the future annuity amount. So far, we have seen all the important details like the features, advantages, disadvantages, and charges of SBI Life Retire Smart Plus plan. Though the details are important, it does not help us to decide whether we should buy this plan or not. For that, first we will calculate the IRR of SBI Life Retire Smart Plus by using the SBI Life online calculator. Then we will calculate and compare the IRR of other investments to see which investment option gives us better return. The benefit illustration is for a 30-year-old male. He invests rupees 1 lakh for 15 years and the policy term is 25 years. There is no defined sum assured. In most cases, the fund value is payable on death. The assumed rate of returns are 4% and 8% per annum. These are only illustrative scenarios. They are not guaranteed and they are not a higher or lower limit of return. The fund value accumulated at the end of 25 years is 22.62 lakhs and 45.96 lakhs. These maturity amount cannot be redeemed fully. It can be only annuitized either wholly or partially depending on the then prevailing rate of the annuity. So the IRR that we see here is during the accumulation phase of retirement. There is no guarantee in the annuity which you may receive in the future. The maturity benefit vesting or the vesting benefit cannot be encashed wholly. This makes the policyholder paralyzed with the limited option. Since there is limited option to utilize the maturity proceeds with the SBI Life Retire Smart Plus plan, let us probe into other options where there is no restriction in redemption and utilization of accumulated funds. If a person invests the same rupees 1 lakh per annum for 15 years and wait till the maturity at the end of 25 years, the corpus can be utilized as he wishes. The investment vehicle can be equity or debt depending on the risk appetite. The accumulated corpus under PPF is rupees 53.85 lakhs and under ELSS option post-tax is 1.18 crores. There is no restriction in redemption or liquidation of these maturity proceeds, which is missing in SBI Life Retire Smart Plus. This accumulated corpus can be invested in a combination of fixed income and equity products and enjoy a happy retirement life with a step-up income and the annual income as well. After analyzing the SBI Life Retire Smart Plus, it is evident that it lacks a liquidity feature. The corpus accumulated through this plan cannot be encashed by the policyholder. It can only be annuitized or a part commutation is allowed. There is no other option left with the policyholder. Also, the return is not proportionate to the risk. The premium gets invested after the deduction of various charges. Any investment plan should be chosen based on the risk, that is safety, return and liquidity. So pick your plan based on these factors and build your portfolio to accumulate your retirement corpus. A detailed review of SBI Life Retire Smart Plus is available as a blog post in our website. The link for the same is available in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.